Yes, students, today we will be doing message writing.
ये कि सिंदूर भर देने से कोई पुरुष और स्त्री के बीच विवाह का रिश्ता नहीं।
Message writing is an informal means of communication. The receiver of the message has to analyze the given message and pick out the most vital information. Then he or she should be able to reproduce that information in order to convey it to the person for whom it is sent. Format of the message. It will be in the form of a box. मैसेज होगा ऊपर लिखा हुआ इन द कैपिटल लेटर्स. फर्स्ट लाइन में मैसेज, सेकंड लाइन में आपकी डेट और टाइम. फिर जैसे डियर मॉम, अगर आप अपनी मम्मी को कोई मैसेज दे रहे हो तो यू हैव टू राइट डियर मॉम. और फिर बॉडी ऑफ द मैसेज, मैसेज की डिटेल. Who called up, why, follow up the message if required. This is called the body of message. फिर then your signature. फिर मैसेज ऐसे आपको पूरा फॉर्मेट वगैरह बनाना है. समझ में आ गया? Important points to remember. Only the most important details should be written. No new information should be added. Grammatically correct sentence should be used. Indirect or repeated speech should be used. The message should be presented within a box. The word limit of a message is 50 words. Again, I am repeating the important points which are required for sending a message. Only the most important details should be written. No new information should be added. Grammatical correct sentence should be used. Indirect or reported speech should be used. The message should be presented within a box. The word limit for a message is 50 words. Is it clear to you everybody? Okay children. हाँ, important message points क्या है इसके अंदर कि मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट डिटेल शुड बी रिटन. नो इन्फॉर्मेशन शुड बी एडेड. ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट सेंटेंस शुड बी यूज. इनडायरेक्ट और रिपोर्टेड स्पीच शुड बी यूज. द मैसेज शुड बी प्रेजेंटेड विद इन अ बॉक्स. द वर्ड लिमिट फॉर अ मैसेज इज 50 words. Now I am going to give you a sample question. You receive a telephone call from your mother's office when she is not at home. You have the following conversation with the speaker, but you have to go for your tuition class, so you leave a message for your mother. Write a message within 15 words using the following information. Do not add any new information. Ankush. Hello, Mr. Sharma. Hello, may I speak to with Mrs. Mittal, please? Mom is not at home right now, Mr. Sharma. In that case, can you give her a message? It is urgent. Please tell her that the meeting fixed for tomorrow has been rescheduled. Ask her to check her mail as soon as possible for the details. Please don't forget to inform her. Don't worry, I will tell her as soon as she returns. Mom, Mr. Sharma from your office called up to say that the meeting fixed for tomorrow has been rescheduled. He wants you to check your mail as soon as possible for details. He said it was very urgent. और फिर आपको नाम लिखना है अंकुश. ये सारा जो मैटर है आपको एक मतलब उसमें लिखना है. किसमें? स्क्वायर शेप में लिखना है. समझ में आ गया? Second, your teacher has cancelled his special class for tomorrow due to some reason, but he has given you a worksheet to be completed at home. The next class will be held a day after tomorrow. Send this message to Priya, who was absent today, informing her about the cancellation and the worksheet. Say that you are sending a copy of the worksheet. Write this message in about 50 words and put it in a box. Dear Priya, our teacher has cancelled the special class for tomorrow due to some reason, but he has given us a worksheet to be completed at home by the next class, which will be held a day after tomorrow. I am sending you a copy of the worksheet. और फिर उसके फ्रेंड का नाम है कनिष्क. Mrs. Kapoor wants to speak to her son Rishi. As Rishi is not in his seat in the office, you take a call and speak with her. She wants to inform Rishi that she will be coming to Delhi the next evening and that she should pick her up from the airport. She will be arriving by Indigo flight number so and so. She thank you and asks you your name. You tell her that your name is Kabir and assure her that you will convey this message to Rishi. But you yourself have a meeting to attend, so you leave a note for Rishi. Write the message within 50 words. Your mother called up to say that she is arriving by Indigo flight number DN78 tomorrow evening. She wants you to receive her at the airport. फिर उस फ्रेंड का नाम क्या है क्वेश्चन में? कबीर. ओके चिल्ड्रन, ये वाला सब आपका है. एक बार आप गो थ्रू हो जाइए. और ना ये आपको जो सैम्पल वाले क्वेश्चंस हैं वो आपको कहाँ पे करने हैं? होमवर्क के अंदर करने हैं. समझ में आ गया? और ये अपनी ग्रामर कॉपी के अंदर करना है. सबको अपना काम पूरा करना है क्योंकि इसमें आपको मार्क्स दिए जाएंगे और ये 50% मार्क्स आपके बोर्ड में जाएंगे. समझ में आ गया? अभी आप रिवाइज करके देखो, अगर नहीं समझ में आया तो पूछो. तो बेटा जो ये आपके सैम्पल वाले क्वेश्चंस हैं, क्वेश्चन 1, 2 एंड 3, और एक और मैं आपको दे रही हूँ होमवर्क के अंदर, जो मैं कल आपके ग्रुप के अंदर मैसेज सेंड कर दूँगी। ये अपना वर्क कंप्लीट करना है आपको अपनी ग्रामर कॉपी में, और अच्छे से कंप्लीट करना, नीट एंड क्लीन, क्योंकि अब आपकी कॉपीज़ भी मंगवाई जा रही है चेकिंग के लिए एंड ऑल। तो डू योर वर्क वेरी केयरफुली नाउ।